And we have some cold air that is building into West Michigan and actually going to stick around with unseasonably cold air for the next few days anyway. A live view looking off to the north out over Wyoming. Our view from the University of Michigan Health West. Downtown Grand Rapids conditions are very quiet. In fact, we've got great visibility this morning. Temperatures are generally holding in the high teens to around 20 degrees. We topped out only at 22 degrees yesterday afternoon, 10 degrees colder than average. And in fact, yesterday was the fourth day this month of January that we have had below average temperatures, and that trend continues all week. So to get caught up on how much snow we've seen so far this month and this season so far, January we have had 4.8 inches of snow so far. December almost 20 inches. So for the season we've had a little less than 36 inches, so almost 3 feet of snow for the season. And last year to this date we had only 3.2 inches, so we're at least 10 times more snow currently for this season than we had at this point last season. Temperatures this morning, upper teens to low 20s. Those feels like readings or wind chills this morning are holding in the single digits and teens. You can see off to our west, we're tapping some much colder air, even down into central Nebraska. Actual air temperatures are below zero, and this is the direction that our air is going to be coming from. So reinforcing the cold air over the next several days. Cold, quiet, a bit on the breezy side. That major winter storm system tracking to the south of Michigan, that's going to be grabbing national weather headlines all over again today. Now our next Clipper system comes in late Tuesday night into Wednesday. The potential for 1 to 3 inches of snow with this system coming through. Heaviest of that should be west and southwest of Grand Rapids, but certainly could be just slippery enough to create a few slowdowns for that Wednesday morning commute. We'll keep you posted, of course. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite. You can see from central and southern Illinois to Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, down into West Virginia, and into Virginia and the nation's capital. On the southern side of this area of snow, where you see the pinkish purple color, that is an indication of some freezing rain. So some significant icing going on in the southern part of this storm system. And as we expand the view, you can just see how huge it is. A player from, again, the midsection of the country all the way into the mid-Atlantic states. And the southern part of this system has a strong cold front, which has actually produced a few pockets of very heavy rainfall along the Gulf Coast and a few pockets of severe weather. The big story really is going to be the snowfall, and with this impacting areas from New York down into the nation's capital, we could be looking at some flight slowdowns. So if you are flying today or traveling by air, remember we can get that domino effect. One area of the country impacted by some flight delays, and that certainly could cause some bigger issues. But you can see here on the Futurecast, as this system moves away, it'll open the door for that pronounced northerly flow to take over. Should see at least partial sunshine this afternoon and into the afternoon tomorrow. That would be a nice treat before the next system comes in, and that Clipper system is what's going to be producing our next best chance of some snow. Again, later Tuesday night into the day Wednesday with some widespread snow showers moving through. And then the rest of that super 7-day forecast reinforces the cold air, so the snow we get, the snow we have, we're going to get to keep for a few days with high temperatures in the 20s with more snow showers over the weekend.